Hello everybody and welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video. This time we are focusing on setting up our email templates. So this is going to be a large part of your setup process. So using a web-based software like RentalTrax to manage your operations is going to deal mainly in communications through email, communicating to your clients, your internal staff, your suppliers, etc. So we have to set up all of our email templates. So the idea is with RentalTrax we can save you hours every week from not having to write those annoying little emails that would take up all of your time. So what we're going to do is set up our email templates. Once again, we're going to go under our settings. So once you've logged in to your own secure server, we're going to go to our settings drop-down menu and scroll down to email templates. If you're just getting set up in the system, there might be a couple demo ones in there for you, and we're going to be able to edit those. First thing you're going to see is the directory. Inside the directory, this is where you're going to see a list of the current emails inside your system. There are no limits to how many email templates you can establish, and you're going to want to have multiples of these so that you can automate a lot of the different features inside RentalTrax for you. So the first thing we're going to do though is we're going to create a new email template. So I'm going to click over here on the button that says new email template. It's going to launch my new email template edit screen. The first option is going to give us a standard template or not a standard template. This is going to be allow us to automatically select this template when we're sending emails. So for your order received, for instance, if that's the main function that you're going to use, you want to set that as your standard template so that it automatically pops up when you pull up the order or the email screen. We're going to say no for this one because I've already created my standard template before. We're going to name this is going to be our test email. You're going to call this whatever you want, whether it be a coupon you send out or whether it be a survey that you're going to send out, or it's an order received, confirmation, delivery order. There can be hundreds of different emails that you write every single week. We want to create the template for this so that it automates everything for us. In the subject, I'm going to type in this is my test email to, and then I'm going to use my dynamic fields, and I'm going to enter in my customer's name. This is going to, a dynamic field is going to automatically populate that information for me based on the customer's account that I've already created in the system, or I can use dynamic fields for many different things. I can put in the order ID, the totals of the order, all of that information. So in the subject line, this is what's going to populate into the email subject line of that customer when they see this. In the body of the email, we can write whatever we want. So once again, using our dynamic fields, I can say, dear customer name, this is your test email. I hope you like it. Then I can do stuff like I can put in my order ID using dynamic fields again. Scroll down, you've got tons of options. I can put in the total of the order. Once again, selecting in here, I can put in the total order price, including the tax, and then put my signature line down at the bottom. I can also further customize it by adding my system logo, my system name, etc. All the information that I want to add here. Maybe I want to have my phone number, my email, etc. Right? You can spread it out and customize it, and this takes a little bit of playing with it, and that's why it's going to take a little bit of time for you to get through the entire system. Then at the bottom, we've got 5 options. We can attach a product files to this email. So if every time we want to send this template, we want to send the product files that have been attached to each product when we set it up, we can do so by selecting yes. If we don't want to do that, we select no. Some of the dangers of doing something like that, if you have a lot of images attached to your products and you're going to automate the sending out of the product files, that increases your risk of becoming a spam account. So make sure that you're not sending out hundreds of pictures with every email template, otherwise you're going to get labeled as spam. So you want to be very careful with how many times you use that for your email templates. Attaching the order for the customer in a PDF file, if I select yes, then that means that the paperwork for the order, giving the pricing, products, information on delivery, contracts, etc., will be sent to my client as well in a PDF form. Attaching the order internal, so if this was a template that I was going to create to send to my internal staff, I would select yes, so that I'm sending my pick sheet to my staff as well, and I don't have to worry about it. It's just going to be automatically attached in a PDF form to this email whenever I send it out. Same thing if you're creating your invoicing template, you're going to attach the invoice as a PDF, or if you're doing a credit note template, you can do that as well, and it will automate all of that for you. So we want to be able to select those. For now, I'm going to leave them all blank and just click Save. And that's it. I've created my email template. I can then go in later on if I want to edit it, just click on it in the list. I can edit whatever I like here. And the way that that's going to become relevant for us, if I go back and look at any of my orders. I can go in to edit this order, but I can also use my fourth icon that says send email to customer. If I select this, then for my drop-down menu, if I select test email that we just created, it automatically populates it for me. That way I can send it out to whoever my client is. I don't have to worry about writing it. We just select it from a drop-down menu and it will automatically populate for us, and then we can click send email. That's it for setting up your email templates. This may take you a long time because there are a lot of emails that you write that you don't need to write. Don't waste your time writing those repetitive emails every single week. Focus on growing your business. That's what the email templates will do for you. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-925-6236. You can send us a support request using the green button on the right-hand side of your dashboard, or visit the website www.rentaltrax.com.